Alright guys, welcome back to another episode with Taklyn the World. Today we're in Koh Noi. It's an island right off of Phuket. And this is our bungalow. First up, we're going to go on a longboat tour of the smaller islands.
And barefoot. It's a lot higher than I expected. We made it. Look at those, bunch of those islands back there. Now we gotta get back down. Ready?
What if I jump too high? Woo, shortcut.
Alright, off to the next island. Let's get in.
We're on Hong Island right now. This is the second island we're stopping at. Way more tourists than you look at.
A ton of people though. Probably gets worse than this most of the times.
Yeah,
right now it's not
because it
that
was
bad.
just low tide right now, so they said nobody could come in.
During low tide, you can't even access this part because there's no water in here. And right now, there's only about 3 feet of water, like if I stand. Otherwise, the scenery is really nice. All these rocks, really cool. Oh wow, look at him, he just stuffed himself.
I know.
Look at this. Okay, look at this. Bye guys. A fatty. Oh, dropped it. Jump, jump, jump. Bye bye.
Check out our ride for the day. Got a little sidecar. We've been driving with just a scooter, but we saw this and I really wanted to experience being in a sidecar.
Here it is. It's hard, huh? I gotta hold on.
Alright guys, today we're catching our boat back to Phuket. And it's been a relaxing 3 days? 3 days?
3.5?
Yeah, Koh Yai Noi is pretty chill. There's not a whole lot to do. You could go around the whole island in like 30 minutes.
Yeah, pretty much. Very quiet island.
Yeah, most of the things to do, it's like the boat tour, which you don't have to be on Koh Yai Noi to do. You could be anywhere in Phuket, Phi Phi, the other islands. There's some other things to do like ATV tours, rock climbing, mostly just like a relaxing island. Yeah. They don't even really have a whole lot of alcohol because this is, I think, 90% Muslim on the island. So there's only a few spots where you can find alcohol.
Relaxing island, just a chill island.
Yeah, still hasn't gotten too touristy yet. Alright, so for 3 nights here, in 4 days, I think it was only about $100. It's pretty nice.
Yeah.
Got a beach right there, we got the pool.
Rented our sidecar. Almost crashed when Jocelyn's driving.
It shakes a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot harder to drive than you think, actually. Because the sidecar throws off your center of gravity. And yeah, it's actually pretty tough to drive.
Gotta engage your muscles the whole time.
It's much more difficult than a motorcycle.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, that's it for this video. I think the next video will be showing hostel versus Airbnb versus resort stay.
Alright, cool. Sounds good. Thanks for watching.
See you next time. See you in the next video.